Hello friends, you are watching Master Mechanic YouTube channel. In this video we learn about the air intake system. First we see the objectives. 1. Air intake system with turbocharger. 2. Air intake system without turbocharger. 3. Function of the air filter, both with and without turbo. 4. How turbochargers and air filters work together. 5. Cleaning and maintaining the air filter. 6. Conclusion. Air intake system with turbocharger. An air intake system with a turbocharger is designed to boost engine performance by forcing more air, oxygen, into the combustion chamber. Here's how it works step by step. Air intake system with turbocharger. Turbocharger basics. The turbocharger uses the engine's exhaust gases to spin a turbine. This turbine drives a compressor that pulls in air from outside, compresses it, and forces it into the engine. The compressed air contains more oxygen, which allows the engine to burn more fuel and produce more power. Air intake process. Air enters through the air filter, which cleans it of dirt and debris. The clean air then moves into the compressor of the turbocharger. The compressor increases the air pressure by compressing it, allowing more air to be pushed into the engine. The compressed air flows into the engine's intake manifold and enters the engine's cylinders, increasing the power output. Intercooler role. Compressing air creates heat, and hot air is less effective for combustion, less dense and less oxygen. The intercooler comes into play here. It cools down the compressed air before it enters the engine, making it denser and richer in oxygen. Cooler air helps the engine burn fuel more efficiently, improving overall performance and power. Now let's see the benefits of the turbocharged air intake system. 1. Increased power. More oxygen enters the engine, allowing it to burn more fuel and generate more power. 2. Better fuel efficiency. The engine can burn fuel more efficiently, often providing better fuel economy. 3. Reduced emissions. Due to more efficient combustion, turbocharged engines often emit fewer pollutants. 4. Smaller engines with more power. Turbocharging allows a smaller engine to produce the same power as a larger one, often resulting in better fuel efficiency. Air intake system without turbocharger. The air intake system without a turbocharger is simpler but still crucial for engine performance. Here's its breakdown. Air intake system without turbocharger. Air intake system function. The air intake system draws clean air from the environment and brings it to the engine. The air passes through an air filter, which removes dirt, dust, and other particles from the air before it enters the engine. This is important because dirt and debris can damage the engine. After the filter, the clean air travels through the intake manifold, which directs the air to the engine's cylinders, where it mixes with fuel for combustion. Basic engine needs. The engine requires clean air to burn fuel efficiently. The more oxygen in the air, the better the combustion process will be, leading to higher power output and better fuel efficiency. Key components of the air intake system. Air filter protects the engine by trapping dirt and dust before air enters the engine. Intake manifold delivers the clean air to the cylinders for combustion. Throttle body controls the amount of air flowing into the engine, depending on how hard the driver presses the accelerator. Regardless of whether the engine is turbocharged or not, the air filter plays a crucial role in maintaining engine health. Purpose: the air filter prevents dirt, dust, and debris from entering the engine and damaging the internal components like pistons, cylinders, and valves. In a turbocharged engine, the air filter is even more critical because it helps prevent debris from reaching the turbocharger, which is a sensitive and high-speed component. Now let's see the types of paper filters. Disposable and affordable, most commonly used in standard engines. Cotton or gauze filters, reusable and popular in performance cars, allowing better airflow. Foam filters, typically found in off-road vehicles and also reusable. Now let's see how turbochargers and air filters work together. In a turbocharged engine, the air intake system works differently. The air filter removes dirt from the air before it enters the compressor of the turbocharger. After the air is compressed by the turbocharger, the intercooler cools it down, making it denser and more efficient for combustion. Once the compressed air passes through the intercooler, it enters the engine, where it burns more fuel, producing extra power. The entire system is designed to ensure the engine gets as much oxygen as possible without any harmful particles, and the air filter ensures that only clean air reaches the turbocharger and engine. Cleaning and maintaining the air filter. Whether the engine has a turbocharger or not, it's important to clean or replace the air filter regularly to maintain optimal engine performance. Cleaning process for reusable filters. First, remove the air filter. First, take out the air filter from the housing. Second, inspect the filter. Check for damage or excessive dirt. If it's very dirty or torn, it's better to replace it. Third, clean the filter. Fourth, for cotton or gauze filters, use a specialized air filter cleaner, spray it on, wait a few minutes, then rinse with water. Fifth, for foam filters, wash with warm water and mild soap, then rinse well. Sixth, dry the filter. Let the filter air dry completely before putting it back. Don't use a heat source, as it can damage the filter. Seventh, re-oil if necessary. If it's a cotton or gauze filter, apply the recommended oil to the filter for better filtration. 8th, reinstall. Place the clean or new filter back into the air intake system. Benefits of cleaning the air filter: better engine performance. A clean air filter ensures the engine gets the right amount of air, which improves performance. Fuel efficiency: less restriction on the airflow means the engine can burn fuel more efficiently. Prolonged engine life: cleaning or replacing the air filter regularly prevents dirt from entering the engine and causing damage. Reduced emissions: a clean filter helps the engine run smoothly, reducing harmful emissions. Conclusion: air intake system with turbocharger. A turbocharged engine forces more air, oxygen, into the engine to increase power. The air intake system, including the air filter and intercooler, ensures that only clean, cool, and dense air enters the engine for optimal performance. Air intake system without turbo. In a naturally aspirated engine, the air intake system provides clean air to the engine, which burns fuel to generate power. The air filter is crucial to ensure no dirt enters the engine. Air filter. The air filter plays a key role in both systems, protecting the engine by removing debris and ensuring the engine gets clean air for better performance, fuel efficiency, and longevity. By maintaining the air intake system and air filter, you ensure that both naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines run efficiently, produce more power, and last longer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.